keep these grounds up.
Look at this striped gopher. Hey, gopher, gopher.
What does that sign say?
Boy watcher. Chicken feed.
Chicken thief. What did the chicken say when you caught him? Did you find any boys?
Yeah, there's one right there.
Ah.
No, I'm a chicken thief.
And what is that other boy? What's he going to be in there for? Oh no, he's the whacker, huh?
Ouch! Watch it. Okay.
Put that Chris in there.
Somebody hold this up, please. Got it.
Mel, you should be in here. You could rest. You could get in there and rest.
Girl watcher, no! No, Jenny!
Jenny, you gotta move away or I can't see
Get out
it.
the way.
Well, he can't put his own in. Get his hands in there.
Good girl watcher, Jenny. Put your hands in there.
Girl watcher. Get your hands up in them holes.
Girl watcher. Turkey!
Turkey, ah. Lock that into place so those hands don't come out. Now.
Yeah, you can get it. No, Jenny! Hey!
Put it up there. Put it up there. Turkey? What does the turkey say? Castle? Hey, is that the princess going in?
Yep. They're in.
See that. Okay, princess, come right out here. Out in the sunshine. I can't see you. There she is.
My castle.
Jason.
My servants.
Ow! My foot!